How to make a video autoplay on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Media. Here, go to the Autoplay in Feed and Stories section and select when using mobile data and Wi-Fi. This means that videos will autoplay while you're using either mobile data or Wi-Fi for Facebook. Using these options, you get more control over your experience on Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily make a video autoplay on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.